there's been a certain amount of work done by psychologists and literary critics and so about the narrative tendency within human beings and why it's there or what it does. And one of the things that's been pointed out is that there is in human life a constant kind of battle between disorder and order, and a seeking to have a kind of secure order, but always there will be some disorder, and there will be troubles, there will be suffering. And what narrative does is that it takes the trouble, it takes the problems, the suffering into itself, and then integrates that into a larger frame of reference that helps us come to terms with that suffering, or come to terms with that disorder, and open up to the possibility of there being a larger pattern, a larger order, which makes sense of that suffering, and in giving sense to it, it makes it tolerable. We, as Nietzsche says, we can tolerate any what if we know the why. If we have a sense of it, that it is meaningful suffering, it's totally different than if it's meaningless suffering. And narrative is constantly doing that kind of alchemical transformation from disorder, pain, tragedy, loss, to a higher order, a larger frame of reference that in some sense redeems the chaos and the sufferings of our lives.